G'day Sydney. This is the local morning news. Today marks 10 years since the shocking and devastating events of Emergence Day. The Locust Horde, known for being the ones to besiege the surface, have since been declared defeated thanks to the experimental superweapon that scorched all locust-infested areas. Many lives were lost in their relentless rampage. The United Nations claim that we still have a long road ahead to recover. However, for now, we should woo.
We apologize for interrupting your program. The Australian government has issued an earthquake watch. Just a few minutes ago, unexpected tremors were experienced in the following cities: Sydney, Melbourne, Adelaide, Perth, and Brisbane. As a result, an earthquake watch will be in effect for the next 24 hours. You're listening to the emergency alert system. We will now return you to normal TV and radio. Please, however, stay tuned for more updates. We apologize for interrupting your program. This is a national emergency. Please pay attention. The following details are important for your survival. Please stand by for important information. Please stand by for important information. Please stand by for import. We regret to inform you that Australia is under attack by the once thought defeated Locust Horde. Emergencies have been reported in the following cities: Sydney, Melbourne, Adelaide, Perth, and Brisbane. If you live in these cities, stay calm and stay in your homes. If you are outside, locate your nearest military garrison or outpost for safety. If you come into contact with any locust creature, turn and run immediately. Do not attempt to reason with them, as this will lead to certain death. Please stay tuned for further information on this dangerous situation.
We apologize for interrupting your program. This is the emergency alert system. This is an urgent message from the New Zealand government. Hours ago, the nation of Australia was besieged by the Locust Horde. In response, an invasion watch is now in effect for all of New Zealand. It is unknown if the Locust will attack our country, but our armed forces are to be placed on standby, fearing for the worst. This message is just a notice to our citizens. We may now return you to Reg.